3 months, one idea. Welcome to Random Acts.
Today we are celebrating art, where each one of us is an artist. I can tell that the participants in this artwork is enjoying doing it. Also, they tend to do another piece and the third piece because they're loving it. And this is the experience that we are offering right here.
Three months ago, we started with an idea, and then it was a random act. The idea is getting to life. We really wanted people to interact with the wall for them to bring the artist out in them.
I really love this place because it shows that we are all connected. We are all part of a bigger universe.
I chose the color red because it's part of my flag. I'm from Jordan, and just beautify the space with my touch. So it was a nice experience, and I appreciate it.
It felt really great to look at what other people have done and how creative they are, and feeling that I can contribute even just a little teeny tiny bit to this huge, beautiful collective piece of art. And let me tell you, it's not as easy as you think it might be.
And I get the chance to connect with people and see what others are doing, what others are thinking. It's pretty nice. So it was really cool. Thank you so much for the opportunity to be here and then to participate on the arts together.
Да, я клею мозаику. Это какое-то вдохновение и это часть.
Oh, that's really fantastic. I feel like it's something really interesting to be part of it.
Cross-cultural, it's cross-boundaries, it's cross-country.
It doesn't matter who are you, from where you are, your nationality, your country, your religion.
And we have an art piece developed by more than 1,400 artists. I'm happy with the collaboration. I'm happy that the message reached properly. I'm happy that the interaction that we were calling for, it really happened.
And there is a lot of culture and there is a lot of art in there. People, they enjoyed it, adding their piece of art, and it was a therapy for them. This is what they called it.
Exactly. The biggest story is going to be, I believe, once we dismantle, we cut it into pieces, and then we create the art piece, and then we will sell them and we'll pay back to charities.
Right, and the project will continue.
100%.